Hi there. I'm doing another small little MDF board here. I think this is about a 12 by 12 and I have a white base coat on it. I pulled it out to just play around and have some fun. Fully intending I'd probably scrape it all off, but I usually try to make something out of something. So, um, yeah, I have a whole bunch of mixed up paints from years back that's been sitting for a long time. So I thought, well, I'll just dig it all out and start trying to use it up, which is what I'm doing here. And I just had no plan whatsoever, just playing around, having some fun, and just playing around with paint tonight here. So, I'm going to just let you watch. I just make a complete mess and go kind of all over the place, which I often do. And then I get to a point where I'm just going to let the pour dry, and then I paint it on it. So I'll add some photos to the end. I didn't record myself painting on it, but you can see the stages that I go through as I take photographs and things. So, and how it changes over the course of painting on it, and then what the final little painting looks like. I always like to try to put something on a pour because I just love how organic and natural the way the pour dries and the way it sort of forms crazy designs and things, and it just makes it a really unique background. So you can see it's a complete gong show going on here. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just having some fun. And yeah, I'll just let you watch and you'll see the photos at the end and a little bit of video, I think. And I hope you enjoy it. So you can see the mess I'm making as I go along, adding color, taking color off. A lot of the time, what I start getting into my mind is some florals that I can paint on after, or animals. And so I'm likely adding all this green because I think, well, I can always paint some outdoor floral or something of that nature onto this when I'm done. And I had a lot of green to use up, so I wasn't worried about, you know, using a lot of it and kind of experimenting and just, again, just trying to have some fun and be loose with no plan and no real idea. But I do often think of it's pretty easy to use a lot of green in the background and do some nice floral on it or something. So anyway, that's where I might have been going with it. I did this a fair while back, and I just actually finished painting the end result on it. So I'll just continue to let you to watch. So I like the colors where they landed on this, and I'm spraying in a little bit of spray paint just for fun. Um, that's a little bit of a light blue, and I did a little bit of a pearl and kind of I think it was a lilac-y sort of color as well. So now I'm just torching it, and it'll start giving some little tiny cells down at the bottom, and we'll continue on showing you what I was painting on it. Well, there's what I did. Just a little bird in a nest. And I accentuated all the different colors and added some color and um, created some sort of spindly branches. And that's just what I saw. It's funny how everyone sees different things, but that's what I saw in the pour. And yeah, I had fun doing it. And it's not a big dramatic change, but that's what I did. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for stopping by.